300 Blackout Winchester Deer Season XP. These are 150 grain, soft point, extreme point. At the muzzle, 1900 feet and 1202 pounds of energy. At 50 yards, it's 1811 feet and 1092 pounds of energy. At 100 yards, which we are just a hair under 100 yards, a little bit, is 1717 feet per second at 982 pounds of energy. So in 100 yards, this is losing 220 pounds of energy. And at 50 yards, it already dropped, at 150 yards, it already dropped another 100 pounds of energy. And at feet per second, it's almost dropping 200 feet per second at 100 yards. So this bullet's actually slowing down pretty quick. And at 150 yards, it is slowed down to 1631 feet per second. But here we go. Gonna do a simulated shoulder shot. Got a piece of wood, a little less than half an inch thick, and it's gonna be our shoulder. It's gonna enter. We're gonna catch the bullet and see how it looks on this test. I'm low on water jugs, so that's why I put the boards on the side to keep the bullet from bearing off and going wherever. If it does do it, it'll hit those and stop it. But here we go. All right. Alright, apologize for the wind. Looks like this bullet did its job. Stayed on the table. That's a good bullet. Alright, here we go. There's what it looks like. That's what it looked like. Right there. Not too bad. Definitely sprawled up, as you can see. Mushroomed out nicely. Solid hidden round right there. Now you can imagine that going through, like after passing through the rib cage, shoulder going in, that those little shards would rip off, like going through the heart and things like that, or passing through the lungs, grabbing on it. It's a nice little bullet. That is a 300 Blackout Winchester Deer Season XP Extreme Point. And they got it down. Some nice sprawling on there. Nice results on that one. Slows down a lot, loses its power, but it's still doing the job. That's for sure. There we go.